Well, now I just returned from the downtown area in Lerdo, Durango. Here you can find one of the most delicious prepared corn snacks. But this is not the topic of this video. What I am going to do right now is to show you how I am using recycled plastic trays in order to germinate native species. I need to make holes in both sides of the tray to prevent my seeds from cooking. For those that don't know where Durango is, the Chihuahuan Desert may be a good reference. For example, during the daytime in February, the temperatures can rise up to 30 Celsius degrees, and by the night, they may drop up to zero sometimes. So, if you let your germinating trays without these holes, the sun would generate evaporation, and that heat, that steam from the water, would likely cook the seeds if I don't make these holes. So, I need some substrate. I am very lucky that in my backyard I found some earthworms, so that's a good sign all the time. Then I would mix this substrate with native soil in order to make the mix and put it on the trays. After this comes the seeds. In this case, we are using seeds of Dasylirion dendrosarum. This is a plant that is very important for our culture here. We have 3 different years of collection of these seeds, 2015, 2019, and 2020. So the question is, will they all be viable? We're about to find out in a few weeks. The cultural role of this species in the region is that it is used for making an alcoholic beverage called Sotol. This beverage uses plants that have at least 6 years of age. These plants are very similar to those of the desert shrub. The thing is that the producers don't regenerate the populations, they only use the wild individuals for distillating the liquor, but there is no replenishment. So, with help of public institutions, we are growing these plants in order to promote the sustainable use and conservation of these resources.